Jacob here with Sarracenia Northwest, and this is your Carnivorous Plant Care Guide for June 2026. Happy summer! Our nursery is located in Oregon, and many of our early season plants are finally taking off. Plants like Sarracenia flava, Oreophylla, and their hybrids are producing their largest and most colorful pitchers of the growing season. The late season plants such as Leucophila and Alata generally have thinner pitchers in spring. They like hot weather, so they produce their best pitchers in mid and late summer. Regardless of the variety, most of our Sarracenia have already bloomed. Last month, we pollinated select flowers and placed bags over them to prevent bees from contaminating our crosses. These seeds will be ready to harvest in fall. Fly traps are producing more traps, primed and ready to catch insects. Hardy sundews are also growing lots of leaves and catching insects. Darlingtonia is also waking up from dormancy. They wake up much later than other plants, and they will have their first open pitchers by the end of June. As new growth emerges, the older pitchers from the previous season will gradually turn brown and dry up. To care for your outdoor perennials, ensure they receive plenty of direct sunlight, similar to the sunlight used for growing tomatoes. These plants need sunlight to keep their pitchers upright and vibrantly colored. Floppy pitchers and poor coloration are signs that your plant isn't getting enough sunlight. When in doubt, give your plant more sun. The same is true for Venus flytraps. They too like to be in full sun. With warm weather coming, water will evaporate faster, so watch the water levels. Keep the soil moist at all times by placing your plants in trays of water. The water level doesn't need to be high. Just an inch or two is enough. If you have a pond, that works too. Just make sure your water is low in minerals. Summer is also mosquito season, so make sure to use mosquito dunks to keep these critters at bay. Watch our video on mosquito dunks for more information. You can find the link in the description below. If you have Darlingtonia, you can trim off the older pitchers now, or you can just let them dry up. It all depends on your sense of aesthetics. We have a video about trimming Darlingtonia pitchers, and you can find it in the description below. If you want to add an outdoor perennial to your collection, now is a great time to do so. We have lots of fly traps, hardy sundews, and mature Sarracenia in stock. We've already sold out of many Sarracenia varieties, but we still have many more available. We also have a special going on throughout June. So check out the inventory at growcarnivorousplants.com. Plants in the tropical greenhouse are growing nicely right now. They're all enjoying the extra sunshine and warmer weather. With all of your tropical plants, make sure they're getting the appropriate sunlight. Nepenthes like a few hours of direct sun, but watch for leaf burn, especially in a very hot window. There isn't a blanket rule about how much sunlight to give Nepenthes. Some plants prefer lots of sun. Others prefer less sun. Just pay attention to how they're growing and move them to an appropriate location if necessary. Watch our video about pitcher growth on Nepenthes for more information. You can find the link in the description below. The same is true with sundews and butterworts. Some like a lot of sun, others a bit less. So pay attention to how your plants are growing as the weather warms up to prevent leaf burn. Regardless of the plant, make sure the soil is moist. Never allow it to dry out. With Nepenthes, Helianthera, and butterworts, water from the top and let the water drain through. With sundews, let them sit in a small amount of water as they tolerate waterlogged soil. Two things I want to share with you before I sign off. First, we redesigned our website with a fresh layout and an improved mobile navigation. We also added a more inclusive search feature that lets you look for out-of-stock plants and sign up for inventory updates. Since we also discontinued the Plant Points program, we restructured our shipping rates to make ordering plants more affordable. Second, if you're in the Portland area, come visit the nursery. We have several open houses this summer where you can purchase a limited selection of notable plants like Nepenthes loei cross truncata and Helianthera Godzilla. Reservations are required and space is limited. Visit our website to sign up. And while you're there, check out the tropical plants back in stock and this month's free plant offer. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in another video.